Yan. Swadika, and welcome po to Thailand Shopping Club Prime. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Prime, ang ating backup na page. Okay, so our main page right now is medyo hindi working. So we are working on it. So while we are waiting for that, we are going to do our live po dito sa ating Prime. Yes, ang ating Prime page. Okay, and right now, ayan, tayo ay nasa Bangkok. We are doing our live po straight from Bangkok. Okay, so this is Reliti, as in Reliti Tindera. Ayan, and we are going to flex po. Ayan, magsa-store live tayo for our test live for guest 1. Okay, kung meron po kayo hinahanap, let us know. Okay, again ha, tayo po ay nagpapasabay po papunta ng Pilipinas, papunta ng US, and nagpapunta ng Canada. And nagpapabulk order tayo, papunta all over the world. Ayan, pabulk order po tayo dyan po sa Amerika, kahit saan, sa Europe, sa Western, kahit saan po. As lang po mararating siya, kahit po sa UAE, basta po mararating siya ng DHL, FedEx, ng high cost. Ayan. Okay, so sa lahat po ng mga gustong mag-ship din po sa ating outside Bangkok, we also ship via carry and via flash. And sa, ano ba iniisip ko? Okay, so pag wholesale po, you get the best price. Okay, pag bulk po, you get the bundle price. Okay, but if you're going to do a retail lamang po, you can have it in peso price, or you can also do the US currency. Okay? So kung gusto niyo po makakuha ng US currency, kasi ang ating ipapublish lang for our live ay puro Philippine peso. Pero if you want to know the dollar, you can comment po the dollar, you can comment the amount dollar, and marireceive niyo po, meron kayong marireceive na inyong mga conversion into dollar rate. Okay? Pero kung gusto niyo naman po i-avail ang ating peso power, you can also do that. Pero hindi na lang po siya sa mga pasabay US and Canada. Kung gusto niyo po i-avail ang peso pricing, pwede po din yun. Pero hindi na po siya magiging under ng pasabay kasi hindi na po magiging free ang shipping niya. So kayo na po ang in-charge or kayo na po ang shoulder ng ating shipping fee. Ayan, ang international shipping. Okay, but for now, let's start. Ayan, so itong buong OOTD natin ay Umi Leia. Yan, Umi Leia. Yan yung ating OOTD for today. And for the size of 3XL. Ayan, 3XL. Okay, so umpisa na natin. Okay, again ha, kapag po kayo nag-live kayo sa ating wait, hindi ko naririnig. Naririnig ba ako? Rinig ba ako? Am I clear? Okay. Okay, kung nag-avail po kayo sa ating live, you can get the special live price. Okay, so again ha, pag po after natin mag-live or at gusto niyo pa pong i-avail, ayan, you can, at kayo ay play, you can also do screenshot po ang ating live, and you can comment din po dito sa ating mga gustong mga secret ladies out there. Ayan, pwede din yung pong screenshot and then send your DM to us. Okay, so right now dito tayo mag-live at suot na natin. Ayan, this is Catherine. Okay, meron siyang sizes. Ang sizes na is SML, XL, double XL, triple XL. Ang suot na ng Lowell na Lucidity ay 3XL. Ayan, 3XL. Okay? And marami pa siya. Ito yung papolka niya. Okay, this is, ayan, ang fold natin dito is si Catherine, okay? Ang ating special live price for this, i-comment nyo muna if you like po. Ayan, you can comment po. Ayan, you can comment po, Catherine. Asa ba yung pangalan niya? Ayan, kita ba? Okay, Catherine is in K. Okay, we have Catherine. Ayan, mine space, Catherine, black, and then size. Okay, this one is, ano sizes niya? SML, double XL, triple XL. Okay, so again ha, ang ating ang ating Lea is a very high premium. Kung ano po yung material niya sa harapan, yun din po yung material niya sa loob. Okay, yun din po yung material niya sa loob. And ang maganda kay Catherine, ang ganda-ganda ni Catherine kasi nakakawala siya ng puson. Baka ako puson, parang wala akong puson, di ba? Nakaka-sexy siya talaga. Okay, so meron tayong black here, Catherine black. We have Catherine brown. Ayan, we have our Catherine white. Yeah. Yeah, okay lang yan. Okay, and then we have our Catherine Choco. Ayan, Catherine Choco. And these are the polka. Ay, in between po pahingi ako ha. In between pahingi ako. In between pahingi ako ng isang. In between pahingi ako ng isang set. Okay. Ayan. So again, yung suot natin, ayan, yung aking suot right now ay si Catherine. Si Catherine ay may color white, may color choco, and meron siyang brown, meron siyang black, and ang ating suot na navy. Navy po ito. Ayan. Okay. So again, ang code natin dito ay si Catherine. Meron po siyang sizes na S, M, L, XL, double XL, and triple XL. Okay, so ang price po natin, special life price po natin ha, for our Lea Catherine. Sport po ito, okay? Ang special life price po natin dito is only 750. Ayan, 750 for S, M, L, XL, pag double and triple XL, additional 100 po siya. Okay, additional.
This one.
Okay. So, ayan ha. So, yan po yung suot natin. We have our Catherine. Ayan. Yan yung suot natin. Okay? So, comment lamang po kayo. Again ha, sa ating mga team replay, you can still watch po. You can rewatch our live and you can take a screenshot of our live.
$6
and
only.
then send, send it to us so you can avail the special life price. Okay, again, si Catherine ito, si Polka to. Polka white, Polka choco. Flex na ako ng flex ha. Ayan. So baka malagpasan ko, comment na lang. Okay, we have the black and the brown. For Catherine, S, M, L, XL, double XL, triple XL. SML XL ay only 750 while ang ating double and triple XL ay additional 100. Ganun po yung mga sizing nila. Okay, ipagod ako ng ano. Ayan, okay? Asan yung ano? Okay, sunod na natin.
Ay, pangalan.
Yeah, ito yung bago nila, si Naomi. Ayan, si Naomi. Okay? Si Naomi ay ayan, hindi mo ilan yung ano? Sige, wait lang. Ayan, ilagay lang natin yung ating kasabay. Ayan, rose. Ayan, para, again ha. Ayan, for the meantime, we are going to, ayan, you can check po. Yan. This is our backup page. Ayan, backup page. Ayan, buti na lang talaga. Buti na lang talaga. Meron tayo mga ganito. Ayan, na backup. Okay? So again, this one, ito yung bagong-bago nila. This is Naomi. Si Naomi ay nasa likod po yung kanyang zipper. Ayan. Wala akong size chart. Ay, pahirap akong size chart. Okay, nasa likod po yung kanyang zipper. Okay, nasa likod ng kanyang zipper. And, ayan. Okay. Wait. Baliktarin ko muna. Parang hawak mo na. Baliktarin ko muna. Para, yan. Okay, that's the size chart. Okay, this is the size chart. Please take a screenshot po. Ayan, please take a screenshot of our size chart for Lea. Okay, again ha, pag SML, XL, it is the regular, the fixed size price natin. Pero kapag double XL and triple XL, additional 100. Additional. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, lagay muna natin. Ulitin natin si Naomi. Okay, kung meron po kayong alam na number or no, not the number, alam na code po, you let us know. Okay, so this is Naomi. This is Naomi. This is Maroon. This is Choco. Ayan. Naomi po, ang code nito, it is Sport. Okay, it is Sport. Ayan. Okay, so kung ano po yung material ng ating skirt sa harap, yun din po yung material ng nasa loob. Okay? Again, ang code natin dito ay si Naomi. This is Naomi. Naomi Choco. Naomi Maroon. Okay, this is Naomi Cream. Naomi Cream. We have our Naomi. Naomi N-A-O-M-I. Ayan, Naomi Navy. Okay, Naomi Black. And Naomi White. Okay, this is ivory white. Ivory white po ang meron tayo dito. Ayan. Okay, again, ang ating sport ay only 750 for our special live price. Kung po ang size na kailangan nyo ay double XL or triple XL, you have to add po 100. Lahat po ng cut-off natin for this batch will be on the 24th. That's going to be next Sunday po para umabot po sa aming NCR hub. Ayan, sa ating air cargo. Ayan. Wala na po kayong iisipin international air cargo kasi sagot na namin yun. Kailangan nyo lamang kung i-cover up on top of the price ng ating item ay ang local shipping and we ship via JNT. Again ha, ayan, ang size na suot natin right now ay triple XL. So kakasya siya hanggang triple XL. Triple XL hanggang 36. O diba? 36 lang yung ating ano. 36 lang. Okay. Sige. Paki-comment naman po dyan. Paki-comment po. Ayan. Paano naman, palagay naman ang price ng sport. Sport, palagay po yung price ng sport. Okay, ang ating price for our sport, okay, our sport is 750 SML XL, okay? Additional 100 lang per tag, double XL and triple XL. Again, ang code natin, ayan, ang code po ng ating suot ay Kathleen. While ang hawak ko po dito ay si Naomi. This is Naomi Red. Naomi, ayan. Naomi Choco. Naomi Cream. This is Naomi Cream. We have our Naomi Navy. We have our Naomi Black and Naomi White. Si White po ay Ivory White. Ivory White. Pa-share naman po tayo. Ayan, pa-share.
Jet to my house, ito.
Chai. Okay. Special, ayan na. Live price po yun, live price. Ayan, syempre kapag regular price. But again, you can still avail our live price even po after our real-time live. Okay? You can still avail. Just take a screenshot or comment po kayo dyan sa ating ComSec para po mababasa po namin yan. Okay? Pero kung kayo ay medyo shy, ayan, at ayaw niyong maging visible sa ating live, okay na okay din po yan. Just take a screenshot and send us your email. And you can still get our live price. Okay, again, this is Naomi. Naomi, available sizes, all sizes available. This is their new, ayan, their new design. Okay, so meron siyang dalawang pocket na functional dito. And then, ang kanyang, ayan, secret zipper po yan. Secret zipper. Okay, secret zipper. Ayan. We have 6 colors for Naomi. Again, Naomi. And yung kanina, ayan yung suot natin. This is Catherine. Pareho po siyang sport. Okay? Isa pang set. Okay, next set. Ayan. Kung meron po kayong hinahanap, meron din tayong shorts. And of course, meron tayong special life price para sa ating mga shorts. Okay? So, yeah, that is Naomi. Ito, si Naomi ito. Okay, si Naomi. Okay, so again, ito si Catherine, yung ating suot. Ayan. And ito si Naomi, yung ating nasa likod. Ayan, si Naomi. Naomi po, Naomi. You can comment po, mind space, Naomi, and then the color, and then the size. Okay? Again, lahat po ng ating mga new minors, ayan, sa ating mga new minors, you just comment po new, okay? N-E-W, para po makita namin po ang inyong mga comment, and we can request for your details, okay? Kapag po kayo ay ang ating Zuki ladies, one of our Zuki ladies who migrated from our main page to this page, okay? So you can also, you can just comment mind space, okay? And then you will receive your individual invoice. Pagka-receive mo po ng individual invoice, nandun na po lahat ng details para po ma-confirm po ang inyong order. Once po kayo ay nag-mind, na hindi pa po yung final, kailangan nyo pa po yung i-confirm by sending your DP. Ang ating DP ay only 50% to 80%, kayo na po ang bahala. So, ibig sabihin po 750, 50% po, pwede nyo, per item po kasi po. Okay, so you can go as long as we go along, as you order. Okay, dun lang kayo magsasend ng DP, that's perfectly fine. Okay, kung gusto nyo naman, upfront na, okay, para hindi na kayo isang transaction na lang, okay? So, you can also get the details. Ayan, how to send your DP. Again, ang DP po natin is only 50% to 80%. Kayo po ang mag-decide kung magkano. Pero hindi po tayo pwedeng bumaba sa 50% per item, okay? And then the rest of it, pagkatapos po ng ating final invoice. Kapag po ang final invoice natin, ano? Okay. Meron. Okay, so, naghihingi ka ba? Ha? Okay. Ayan. Okay na? Okay. So, yung ating the rest, okay, kasama po yung ating local shipping. Okay, iba padala po natin yan kapag po mag-final invoice na tayo. Iko-consolidate po muna natin ang lahat ng inyong individual invoice by final invoice, saka po natin yan ipapadala sa inyo as one na po yan. Okay, but as we go along with our live, you will receive individual invoice as you mine. Okay, as you mine sa ating mga lives, okay, sa ating mga showcase sa mga items na Bangkok. Okay, so again, how we are doing our live straight from Bangkok, Thailand, and we are at Leia Studio, a very high premium store ng mga shorts, skirts, and pants. Okay, just like that, we have Naomi here. This is Naomi, and ang ating suot, si Catherine. Okay, and they have the sizes all the way to triple XL. Ayan, SML, XL, double XL, triple XL. Okay. Dami ko ba sinabi? Okay, next na tayo. Ang pangalan nito? Si Carlene. Oh, isa pa din to. Maganda, si Carlene. Actually, ito yung pinagpilian ko when I got this book. Okay, so si Carlene tsaka si Catherine. Okay, but both of them are very nice. Okay, so pero ang pagkakaiba ni Carlene, meron siyang belt hole na ganito. Ayan. Meron siyang belt hole. Okay? But again, nasa likod po yan. Nasa likod po ang pocket, ay ang zipper. Okay? Pero, kung kayo ay katulad ko na ang hirap mag-zip up kapag nasa likod, nilagay ko siya, ayan, yung aking zipper nasa likod. Nilagay ko siya sa harapan. Okay? Para madaling CR. Okay? Pero pwede rin naman, ayan, parang wala naman pagkakaiba. Ayan. O hindi naman siya, parang wala naman siyang difference. Ang difference niya kasi dito, nakatahiyan. So ngayon, yung likod, ang hindi nakatahi. Hindi siya nakadikit. Ayan. So ito, hindi siya nakadikit. Okay, yan. Yes, ganyan. Okay. So usually, ito yung nasa. So ito ngayon, hindi siya maangat na gano'n. Okay, so yun yung trick naman doon. Okay, but again, kung kayo, katulad ko, nilagay ko yung zipper sa harap. Okay, nilagay ko yung zipper. And it's totally perfect. Maganda pa rin yung fit niya. At ang gusto ko dito talaga, nawawala yung puson. Makakawala siya ng puson. For a plus size, malaking issue yung puson. Ayan, kung medyo pusunin kayo, Ito talaga, ang ganda talaga ni Catherine. Okay? And ito yung another version nito. Okay, this is Carlene. Si Carlene naman, ang dami namang colors ni Carlene. Ang maganda naman kay Carlene, meron siyang belt po kung gusto niyo pang lagyan ng ibang accessories. And marami siyang colors, okay? Marami siyang colors. Very, very basic yung kanyang mga colors. Okay, so this is Carlene. And si Carlene ay all sizes available for this one. Okay, so we have here, this is gray. This is gray. Ayan, may pleats din siya. And skirt din siya. Skirt siya sa harap, short siya sa loob. Okay? Short siya sa harap, skirt siya sa loob. Okay, so we have this in Carlene. Okay, so again ha, kahit po matagal na, they keep the same design. Itong store na to, they keep their same design and their model. So, basta alam niyo po kung anong pangalan nung skirt or shorts na hinahanap niyo, we will get it. Yun nga lang, after the live, we will not be able to guarantee anong available and colors anong colors and sizes ang available. Okay? But again, this is Carlene. Si Carlene ay pleated. Okay? Para siyang tennis. Hindi siya tennis talagang skirt siya, mini skirt siya. Okay? And very safe kayo dito. Kahit hangin-hanginin kayong ganyan. You are very safe. And nakakabata ang ating mga pa-effect natin dito. Okay? Ang ating atake. Ayan, okay. So, this is Carlene. This is Carlene Gray. This is Carlene Black. Carlene Black. We have our Carlene Navy. Carlene Navy. We have our Carlene Red. Carlene Red. We have ang ganda ng pink. Ang ganda ni pink. Carlene. It's C-A-R as in car, as in kotse, and then lagyan yung L-Y-N. Okay, Carlene. Okay, Carlene Pink. Actually, para siyang salmon pink. Para po siyang salmon pink. And then we have our, we have our Carlene White. Si White po ay ivory white. Ivory white po ito. It is ivory white. Very crisp ang itsura niya. And ang kanyang dating. Okay? Ang kinagpisa pang gusto ako dito, ito sa kanilang material, hindi siya pinaplansya. Ayan, diba? Alam na natin niya kung bakit. Ito man tayo mag-plansya. Maglalaban na lang ako, pero hindi para ayaw mag-plansya. Okay, this is Carlene Choco. Carlene Choco. Carlene Charcoal. Carlene Charcoal. Ayan. And Carlene Cream. Ayan, Carlene Cream. Okay? Again ha, ang ating sport. Si Carlene ay only 750 for SML, XL, and additional 100 lamang po kung kayo ay double XL or triple XL. Okay? Again, 750 special live price po yan during our live or even after our live. Basta po, ayan, ma-access mo pa po ang aming live. Okay? Pero pag hindi niyo po nakuha ito sa aming live or hindi kayo nag-comment dito, hindi niyo po makukuha ang special live price. Okay? It's going to be given as regular price. Okay? So, kunwari kung nagbigay po kayo ng picture sa amin from another live and you want us to get it, we can get it, but we will get it for a regular price. Pero bahagya lang naman to ang ating regular price. Okay? Ang mga, ang additional lang naman dyan is not more than 100. Ayan, not more than 100. Okay? Pero, malaking bagay pa rin yan kung marami kayong kukunin. Okay? So, mas maganda pa rin na mag-bang kayo dito sa amin. Okay? So, again, this is Carlene. Carlene is available SML, XL, double XL, triple XL, and we have different colors available for this one. This is a skirt outside. This is a shorts inside, okay? And maganda dito, hindi siya plansyahin, okay? Yung pleats niya, forever na yata yan dyan. Okay? Forever na siya dyan. Okay? And then nasa likod yung kanyang zipper. Okay? Nasa likod yung kanyang zipper. Okay? So, Carlene Pink. Ito, Carlene White. This is Carlene White. Carlene White. Take a screenshot if you are liking this. And then we also have our Carlene Choco. Carlene Choco. Carlene Choco. We have Carlene Charcoal. Carlene Charcoal. Klaro ko, no? Okay. Carlene Cream. This is Carlene Cream. We have our Carlene Red. Carlene Red. Carlene. Ayan. Si Carlene Navy. Carlene Navy. Ayan, si Carlene Navy. We have our Carlene Black. We have Carlene Black. And we have our Carlene Gray. Ayan. Ayan, we have our Carlene Gray. Okay, so again, sport po ito. Sport po ito. Okay? Ayan. Okay, so again, connect kita ako. Yan. So we have here again si Carlene. Carlene, okay? You can review po the slide and you can see po the actual, okay, that we are flexing. So you can take note po yung mga names ng ating mga sinasabi during the live. And ito na po yung actual na piece, okay? Kahit kung meron tayong mga pictures, ito po yung actual na piece. Makikita nyo paano yung fitting niya. For a 3XL, ganito po ang okay, ayan. So, this is Carlene. Okay, next tayo. Next po, ano to? Hindi ko maabot. Yan, hindi ko siya maabot. Yan. Ano to? Ito si Victoria. Isa pa itong pinagpilian ko. Kasi si Carlene, si Victoria, at si Catherine ang ating pinagpilian dito. Si Victoria, this is what?
Only my blueprint.
Okay.
This color Luna.
So we have our Victoria here. Ayan,
Luna,
meron
this
tayong
color?
Victoria
Only
here.
white.
Pero yun si Carlene.
No.
No, it's different. Wala kasi siyang belt fold. Okay, this is Victoria. This is Victoria. Okay, si Victoria ay parang tennis sport, okay? And we have here, ayan, sport din siya. Yes, it is also a sport, okay? This is Victoria. Maya-maya, kailan na ba ako? Ilan na ba ako sa sport? Si Hazel, isa pa si Hazel, ayan. So after that si Hazel. And then we will go for the shorts. Okay, so this one is Victoria. Victoria, binig ako. Yan. Do we have Victoria? Victoria, are you there? Yes, Victoria, is that true? Okay, so this is Victoria. Si Victoria, ganun din po. No, ang kanyang zipper ay nasa gilid. Ayan. Asan na ba yung zipper nito? Ito yung zipper niya. Ayan yung zipper niya. Wala po itong mga pocket. Ayun yung Hazel. Ayun. Sige. Okay. Wala po siyang pocket, ha? Wala po siyang pocket. Okay. So, this is Victoria. Okay, si Victoria, may papaha siyang ganito. Okay. Ganyan po si Victoria. Yan. Okay. And, ganito rin yan. Yan. Skirt siya sa loob. Shorts siya sa loob. Skirt siya sa labas. So, ito yung para siyang tennis skirt. Parang tennis skirt. Okay? Ayan. Okay. So, meron marami, plain colors lang ang meron tayo dito. Ayan, plain colors ang meron tayo kay Victoria. Again, ang code natin dito, is si Victoria. Okay? Si Victoria ay merong black, merong white, merong taro. This is taro. Yan. Meron din siyang cream. Meron siyang, ganda ni Royal, no? Ganda. Yes, meron siyang kakaibang, tapos magtatap ka sa kanya ng white. Ayan, ng white na top. O kaya, mas maganda siya sa white. Yeah, mas maganda siya sa white. Okay? Or medyo pinkish, very, very powdery pink. Ayan, pwede kay Royal. Okay? This is Royal. Si Victoria, ang color nito ay si Royal. Okay? And we also have, we have our pink. Ito naman, hindi siya light pink. Hindi siya baby pink, but more on hot pink. Ayan, mas more on hot pink. Para siyang fuchsia. Okay, parang fuchsia. Ayan. And we have our red. Ayan, we have our red. Okay, again, sport po ito. Para siyang tennis court na meron siyang shorts sa loob, nakapareho po ng material nung nating nasa labas. Okay, so again, this is our Victoria red, Victoria pink, Victoria royal, Victoria cream, Victoria taro. We have our Victoria white and we have our Victoria black. And available po siya sa lahat ng sizes. S, M, L, XL, XXL, triple XL. Okay, so this is Victoria. Okay, Victoria. Again, meron siyang pink. Meron siyang red, meron siyang royal, meron siyang cream, meron siyang taro, meron siyang white, and meron siyang black. Again, para siyang tennis sport, okay? Para siyang tennis sport na meron siyang shorts sa loob. Pero wala po siyang pocket, okay? That is our Victoria, okay? So, let's move on to our next one. Ito muna, bago to. Okay, next tayo. Ayan, next naman tayo. Ano pangalan niya? Ni Hazel? Parang, anong color? Ano ito?
네, 추워하니까.
Ano ito? Catherine! Oh, pareho ng suot ko. This is the Catherine na plain. Ayan, this is the Catherine na plain. Yan. We have our Catherine na plain ang color. Okay? Plain ang color. Okay? Ayan. Ito, meron tayo dito. Meron tayong pa-plum. Okay, plum po yung ating color for this one. Again, ha? Catherine, yung suot ko, Catherine na polka. This one is plain color. Okay, plain color, but it is the same cut. Ang suot po natin ay 3XL. Okay, ang suot po natin dito ay 3XL ang ating OOTD. This is Umi and Leia. Ayan. Yan ang ating OOTD for today, for this video. For this video. Ayan. Okay. So this one, another Catherine, pero this one is plain color. Okay. Catherine po with the K. Catherine with the K. And this is color plum. Color cream. Color cream. Ang ganda ng teal. Super nice ni teal. Ganda ni teal. Ang ganda ni white. This is white. Kaya medyo dumami na siya. Okay, madumi na yung white niya. Pero, hindi po siya ganyan dadating sa inyo. Kasi, always new stock po yan dadating. And we have also our Catherine Black. Our Catherine Charcoal. Catherine Charcoal. And Catherine Red. Catherine. Ganyan po yung difference niya. This one is plum. This one is red. Okay? Ganyan po ang difference ng color niya. This is red. This is plum. And this is cold Catherine. Ayan. Skirt. Again, skirt po siya. Katulad ng ating suot na meron siyang zipper sa likod pero nilagay ko siya sa zipper sa harap. Okay? Nilagay ko yung zipper sa harapan. Okay? For convenience purposes lang. Ayan. So, you can twist and turn. It's up to you. Okay? So, again, ang ating skirt is only 750 for our live price. Ayan. For our live price. And, ayan. Free shipping via air cargo. And all po our orders for dispatch is going to have a deadline on the 24th. Ayan. Kasi 25th pala is normally, it's the 25th, every 25th of the year, of the month. Okay, but for this batch, kasi ang 25th ay Monday, yun na po yung pick-up ng ating So, hindi na natin siya maihahapos. So, kaya ang cut-off natin for this batch is 24. That is on Sunday. Okay, so kung gusto niyo po, nakita niyo po ang aming live, maya-maya o bukas pa, ayan, you can still mine po, okay, hanggang the 24th para maihabol po natin. Pero again, ha, pwede po kayo, pwede nyo pong i-mine, but we will only confirm your order kapag po kayo ay nakapag-deposit po ng 50% or all through 80%. Of course, full payment is always welcome, but you have the option to do the 50% to 80%. Now, if you want to do a pasabay for this, going to US or going to Canada, you can, and you want to pay in USD, you comment po dollar, okay? Comment dollar po. So you can see the conversion for our USD currency. Again, USD currency. Pahingi ako ng LB na ako. LB na. Okay, so this is Catherine. Catherine Black. Catherine Teal. I love the Catherine Teal, yeah. But I need the yes. Okay. And we have the red. Catherine Red. Catherine Plum. Catherine Cream. Catherine. Ay, wait ha. This is charcoal. This is charcoal. This is charcoal. Ayan, this is charcoal. And this is the teal. Ayan, magkaiba siya. And we have the white. Ayan, we have the white. Ayan, okay. So last, ano na lang tayo? 20? No, 40 minutes. Last 40. Okay, pakihawak ko. Ayan, last 40 na tayo. Again, ngayon, likod natin. Yan, yung nasa likod natin ay si Naomi. Ayan, si Naomi. Naomi. Naomi, yes, si Naomi. Okay, next. Last tayo for our sport. For our sport. Ayan. Ganyan po yan. Tulad ng ating Zuzu. Okay. Next in our lineup. Okay. Hindi ko na about, hindi ko, ko na. Saan ko ba ilalagay ito? Ayan. And then give me shorts na. Ayan. Okay. So these are the best sellings kasi for the sport. Okay? For the sport. Okay? So now, we are flexing. Pakihanap si si Berlin. Si Berlin. Ayan. 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 So this is si Hazel. Ayan. This is our Hazel. Si Hazel ay meron siyang double hook po dito. Ayan. Double hook po siya. Sa harap. Okay, ito naman, okay, si Hazel sa harap yung kanyang zipper. Ayan, sa harap yung kanyang zipper. And, wala na po siyang zipper sa loob, sa likod. Pero meron siyang belt hole here. Ayan, meron siyang belt hole here. Sige, lagay mo lang siya dyan. Yun yung mga hinahanap sa atin. Okay, ayan. So, sport din siya. Okay, ayan. Para siyang hindi siya pa pencil cut, pero para siyang mini skirt. Pero, very safe po ang inyong, yes, lahat po, very secure. Okay, ang ating code for this one is Hazel. This is Hazel. Si Hazel lang ang meron. Nasa harapan po yung button and zipper. Okay, nasa harapan po yung kanyang button and zipper. This is Hazel Black. This is Hazel Charcoal. Hazel Charcoal. Ayan, si Hazel Charcoal ito. We have our Hazel. Hazel as in H-A-Z or Z-E-L. Okay? H-A-Z or Z-E-L. Okay? So this is, ayan, we have Hazel White. Pero yung pagka-white po niya is ivory white. Okay? It is ivory white. Hindi siya crisp white, but more on ivory white. Kung familiar kayo sa parang color ng South Sea Pearl yun. Parang ganun. Parang medyo makintab, medyo satin yung kanyang pagka-white. Okay? So again, this is Hazel White. We have our Hazel Pink. Ang ganda ni Hazel Pink kasi may pagka siya. May pagka salmon pink siya. May pagka salmon pink. We have our Hazel Cream. And we have our Hazel. This is Hazel Teal, no? This is more on teal. Tama ba? More on teal, no? Gray ba? Gray ang dating sa'yo. Okay, so Hazel po. Hazel ang code natin dito. And si Hazel po ay available ng S, M, L, XL, XXL, and XXL. And for our live price, okay, live price natin for our sports, okay, for our sports is only 750 live price po. Okay, live price. So take advantage pag tayo ay nag-live because we are really giving a very affordable. Bukod pa doon sa regular price na very reasonable and very affordable, I am telling you, we give really a malasakit presyo, especially to our suki ladies, okay? And, ayan, mababouch siya ng ating mga ladies, bawat order nyo, bawat batch po, pagdating po sa inyo, ng inyong mga orders, meron pa kayong pa-freebie. Hindi na kailangan yan. Hindi na natin yan pinaparaffle, okay? Binibigay na po natin yung freebie. Yan. So, every time. Si Lady Era, sana naging si Lady Era. Lady Era, kung makikinig ka. Ayan. Sana gusto kong makita ano nakuha mo bang earring na freebie. Ayan. So, please, yan. Oo, yeah. Oo, yun. Okay, so, lahat po tayo nakaka-receive, lahat ng ating Zuki ladies, kaya maliit or malaki po ang inyong i-order, you will always get freebie from TSE because we are your trusted go safe in your caring casa by team. Okay, again, this is Hazel. Si Hazel ay merong zipper sa harap at meron double hook. Meron siyang belt hole. Okay, meron siyang pocket. Meron siyang pocket dito. Okay, and we have different colors. This is black. This is charcoal. This is charcoal. This is white. This is white. This is pink. Yeah, this is pink. This is grayish daw to. Para siyang grayish blue. And we have the cream. We have the cream. Okay? Again, ang code nito ay si Hazel. Available po siya. SML, XL, double XL, and triple XL. And ang price for our Hazel is only 750 for SML, XL. Pag po 2XL or 3XL, it is going to be additional 100. Ang ating pong double XL ay 33 ang waist to 34, and triple XL is 35 to 36. Sa ating triple XL, this is how it's going to fit you. Ito po, ang suot ko ay Catherine. Ang suot natin ay Catherine. Okay? So again, ang code natin dito ay si Hazel. Hazel. Okay? Skirt po to. Skirt. Skirt sa harap. Shorts po siya sa loob. Ayan. Okay. Next. Okay. Shorts na tayo. Yun yung mga best-selling sa ating skirt. Ayan, yun yung mga best-selling. So again, i-flex natin si Naomi. Si Naomi is yung nandito, bago nila. Ayan, bago nilang design or bago nilang model si Naomi. Okay? Ayan, bago nilang design si Naomi. Yun. Okay. Ha?
Ilang shorts na ngayon?
Isusunod ba na? Bigyan man na ako isang line-up. Ano ba yung isa?
Penelope.
Yeah, sige, si Penelope. Okay, next tayo ang ating best-selling na si Berlin. Okay, this is Berlin. Okay, ang difference ni Berlin, ayan, meron siyang pa-pleats dito. Okay, pa-pleats dito. Very walking shorts. Ayan lang siya. Okay, very walking shorts ito. Very walking shorts. Ayan. Okay, ang code natin dito ay si Berlin. As in Berlin, China. Parang ganun. Germany. Berlin, Germany daw. Berlin. Ayan, si Berlin. Okay, si sa Berlin, marami siya. Ayan, meron siyang pocket, side pocket. For each side. Ayan. And we have, saan yung likod niya? Ayan. Meron siyang belt hole. And meron siyang fold dito. Again ha, ang maganda po sa material ni Lea Lea ay hindi po siya pinaplansya. Hindi siya pinaplansya. Okay? Ito marami tayong colors. Ito, most of the shorts are clean colors. Okay? Very very konti lang. Very few models lang yung meron silang mga color. Okay, but most of the time, very vibrant and very colorful yung kanilang mga colors. Okay, so again, ang code natin dito si Berlin. Available sizes SML, XL, double XL, triple XL. And we have Berlin Red. We have Berlin Charcoal. We have Berlin Cream. Ayan. We have our Berlin, what is this? Avo. This is Avo. Ayan. Kulay avocado. Ayan, avo. We have our Berlin White. We have ang ganda ni Emerald. Promise talaga. Kung makikita ko si Berlin Emerald, ako yung na-amaze at nai-inlove sa kanya. Okay, this is Berlin Emerald. Okay, Berlin Emerald. This is our Berlin Brown. This is brown. Hindi siya choco ha. Mas lighter siya kesa sa choco. Ayan, really ako rin. Okay, and we have of course some very classy and timeless, and you can wear it anytime, any day, any time of the year, and any season of the year. Okay, this is your Berlin Black. Okay, and ang ating mga shorts for our light price is only 690 for our light price. Paki-comment po para Okay, sige. So again ha, kapag shorts po, it's 690, special live price. Pag po score, tulad ng ating suot na Catherine, ayan, this is only 750. Okay? Only 750. Again, ang code natin dito ay Berlin. Si Berlin po ay hook, hindi po siya button. Meron siyang zipper dito. Meron siyang pocket each side. Secret pocket po. Okay, secret pocket. Ayan. And we have colors. This is Berlin Black, Berlin Brown, Berlin Emerald. Kumuha kayo ng emerald. Ang ganda ng emerald. Nakakasyala siya. Nakaka-alta. At makakaimabango dito. This is Berlin Emerald, Berlin White. This is Berlin White. This is Berlin Avo. Ayan. Pero nga ako ng green para makita niya lang. Yan po yung difference niya. Ayan. Okay. So, this is Berlin Emerald. This is Berlin Avo. Berlin Avo. This is Berlin Cream. Berlin Cream. This is Berlin Charcoal. And this is Berlin Red. And si Berlin po ay only 690 live price. Okay, live price available SML, XL, double XL, triple XL for our double XL and triple XL. Additional 100 lamang po yan. Okay, and that covers from 33 waistline all the way to 36. Okay, ang double XL po is 33 to 34 and ang ating triple XL ay 35, 36 ano. Oo, so 36 na ako. Ay, grabe. Okay, so this is Berlin. Berlin in Germany ang ating code for this one. Okay, that's for our shorts, only 690 during our live. So always watch out for our live. Next tayo, Penelope. Yes, si Penelope. Ay, eto si Penelope. Si Penelope. Okay, anong difference niya? May stick siya dito and then meron siyang papakit sa harapan. Okay, meron siyang linyang ganyan and then may pocket po yan. Malalim po yung pocket niya so hindi po kayo mawawalan ang tawag doon, matatanggalan or lulusot yung inyong mga nasa bulsa. And ito, pwede nyo panghang lang, ayan. Ayan, ganyan lang, panghang ng inyo, lagayan ng inyong kamay, pwede po yan, okay? And we have here zipper and hook. Hook po yan. Okay, and ganyan po yung likod niya. Yan po. Wala po siyang fold sa ilalim. Wala siyang fold sa ilalim. Okay. Yan, wala siyang fold sa ilalim. Ay! And look at the yellow. Ang ganda ng yellow, di ba? Oo. Nakaka-bright sunny day tayo dito. Okay. This is Penelope Yellow. Penelope, this is more on para siyang salmon pink. Hindi po siya pink na pink, okay? This is Penelope White. Penelope White. We have our Penelope Cream. Penelope Cream. We have our Penelope Mint. Actually, para siyang matcha. Parang ang itsura niya matcha. Iba po kasi yung mint. Okay, but this is Penelope Matcha. Siya lang naman yung green. Siya lang naman yung green. And then we have Penelope Red. We have our Penelope Black. And we have our Penelope. We have our Penelope Gray. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so again ha, ang code natin dito is Penelope, okay? And si Penelope, meron po siyang sizes ng S, M, L, XL, double XL, triple XL. And si double XL starts at 33, 34, si triple XL ay 35, 36, okay? Again, ang ating live price for our mga shorts is only 690 during the live price. Even after the live, you can still comment po live in our page or in our comsec. Or kung kayo po ay medyo shy at ayaw nyo maging visible sa ating mga comment section, you can take a screenshot. Make sure kami po yung screenshot nyo at hindi po sa ibang live, okay? Para po ma-avail nyo ang ating live price, okay? And again, ang ating cut-off for the orders for this batch. So even after this batch, you can still order po from our Leia items, okay? Kasi they always replenish naman and they have the same models all throughout the year, okay? So again, ang code natin nito, this is Penelope. This is Penelope Gray. This is Penelope Black. This is Penelope Red. This is Penelope Matcha. This is Penelope Cream. This is our Penelope. Ayan, Penelope White. Ivory white po yan ha. And the very, very vibrant na Penelope Yellow. And ang ating very subtle, okay, para siyang old rose na siya. Para na siyang old rose, okay? So this is Penelope Old Rose. Old Rose or pink, ayan, pwede naman siya. Okay, again ha, meron siyang slit. May tiny slit siya dito. And then meron siyang pocket. And then meron siyang belt hook. Opening sa harap, hook sa harapan. Okay, that's Penelope. So if you are liking any po, you can take a screenshot or you can just send us your DM. Okay? And you can get the live price. Okay, huwag nyo nang hihintayin na mawala sa aming page ang aming live or else hindi nyo na po mas-screenshot. Again ha, ang ating cut-off ay until next Sunday, yes, next Sunday, okay? And we are going to do our, ang ating shipment is nakaschedule usually Monday. So, hindi na namin yung makukuha. Pero even after the cut-off, pwede pa rin po kayo mag-place ng orders. But again, after the mine, you have to confirm your orders by sending the DP. Ang ating DP ay only 50% to 80%. But if you like to fulfill na po the full payment, it's always welcome. Okay? But you have the option kung magkano po ang ibibigay nyo or i-deposit nyo per item. Okay? So kung isang item po, kung 690, so that's only 345, yeah, 345 for the shorts. Yun lang yung kailangan nyo para ma-secure nyo yung ating item. Okay, so ang inyong order. Again, kung hindi po tayo magsisecure, hindi po namin mako-confirm ang inyong order. Hindi po kami kukuha ng extra na wala kaming extra na kukunin after our live, okay? Yung ang ano lamang po ang inyong i-confirm, yun po ang aming isi-secure, okay? So, there you go. Okay, so meron nasa shorts na tayo. Kanina to, anong pangalan nito?
Riley.
Si Riley, okay? This is Riley. Riley naman, meron siyang paganyan. Shorts ito. Malalim po ang kanyang pocket. Riley, R-I-L-E-Y. R-I-L-E-Y, okay? And we have belt hook here. Meron tayong zipper dito. Meron tayong hook dyan. Ganito po siya sa likuran. Ganyan siya sa likuran. Again, shorts po ito. It's a walking shorts, okay? And we have sizes for this one, S, M, L, XL, double XL, triple XL. Okay, we only have 20 minutes left na. Tama? 20 minutes left. Okay, so we have Riley. This is Riley. This is bluish gray, ha? Bluish gray po ito. This is Riley gray. I love the Riley Royal. I love the Riley. Ito mas royal ito kasi yung kanina. Kasi kanina parang subtle royal lang siya. Okay, but this one is really, really beautiful. This is Riley Royal. Riley Royal. This is bluish gray. So we will call this gray. Okay? So again, pag nag-comment po kayo, comment mine space, the name, the size, and the color. Or the name, the color, and the size. Okay? Again, ang code natin dito si Riley. Okay? Si Riley po ay merong black, merong hot pink. Ang ganda ni hot pink. Kung kayo po ay maputi, this is really perfect for you. And it's going to have a wow factor sa inyo. Nakakaganda, nakakabango. You don't need anything else but a very simple and basic top with this one. And you can go on the go anywhere, everywhere. Okay? Ang maganda dito, wash and wear, hindi siya pinaplansya. Yun yung talagang ano ko, no? Hindi siya pinaplansya, okay? So maganda po yung material niya, hindi siya plansyahin, okay? Again, ang code natin dito si Riley. This is Riley Pink, Riley Black. Hi! This is Riley Yellow. Meron din yellow. Si Riley. Ayan, meron din. And then meron din tayong si Matcha. Si Matcha is subtle mint. Subtle mint, okay? So this is Riley Yellow, and Riley Matcha. And we have Riley Cream and Riley White, okay? Riley White. Again, meron po siyang Meron po siyang pocket dito. Meron siyang pleats dito. Meron siyang belt hole. Ang opening po niya ay nasa harapan. Ang hook niya ay iisa lang. So, ganyan po ang kanyang nasa harap. Ganito po ang nasa likod niya. Okay? This is the shorts that you really need. And we are only giving this for only 690 during our live. Okay? So, again, this is Riley. R-I-L-E-Y. Okay? R-I-L-E-Y. Riley for white. Riley for cream. Riley pink. Riley black. Riley black. Riley royal. Riley gray. Bluish gray. This is bluish gray. Give me the other one. Riley yellow, and our Riley matcha. Again, sizes available: S, M, L, double XL, triple XL. Double XL starts at 33, 34, triple XL 35, 36. And the price for this one is only 690. S, M, L, XL. Pag po double XL and triple XL, additional 100 pesos lamang po. Additional 100 pesos. Okay, so that is, ayan, Riley. Next, last na tayo. Okay, last. Ayan, magla-last set na tayo. Ito na yung i-flex ko. Ayan, sakto tayo. Okay. Ayan, okay. So tayo ay, okay, if flex, hindi po namin flex lahat, okay? But we flexed yung ating mga best seller dito sa Leia Studio. But if you like, or any models na gusto nyo pong makita or ma-flex natin, let us know or i-comment po dyan sa ating, ayan, sa ating concept, okay? Or just send us your DM para po ma-send po namin sa inyo yung photos. Again, piniflex po namin yung mga best sellers, okay? Mga best sellers, okay? This is our last item for tonight's, for today's video. Okay? At our Leia Studio. Okay? So, again, ipopost namin to sa, nakapost to sa ating Azul app. Hindi ko to mapopost sa, sa itim app. Pero ipopost natin ito sa ating, sabi natin pa rin i-post to. Ipopost natin ito sa ating YouTube. Ayan, para pabalik-balik nyo siya. Okay? This is naman, hindi naman siya, very sensitive na, okay. Last item for this one, this is Taylor, okay? This is Taylor. Si Taylor po ay meron siyang covered bottom. Ayan, hindi ko siya mabuksan. Ayan, and then meron pa siyang hook. Ayan, so double po. Double yung security niya. Meron ka ng hook dito. Meron ka pang, ayan, meron ka pang covered bottom dito. Okay? And, ano ba to? Pa-curve yung kanyang corners. Hindi po sharp yung corners niya. So, kapag po sa side, ganyan po yung itsura niya. Ayan. And then, meron po siyang pocket. Ang pocket po niya sa harap. Ganito. Okay? Visible. Hindi siya secret pocket. And, ganyan po siya sa likuran. Ayan. Meron siyang pleats dito. All colors have sizes. All colors have sizes. Okay, so this is Taylor red. This is actually more on maroon. Ayan, more on maroon. This is Taylor gray. This is Taylor gray. This is, oh my ganda, this is olive. Okay, this is Taylor olive. Taylor olive. This is our Taylor. Teka lang. Ito na lang. Ayan, this is Taylor. Para siyang nude. Ayan, para siyang nude. Taylor nude, parang, gawin na lang natin itong brown, okay? Gawin na lang natin itong brown. And then meron tayong hot pink here. Meron tayong Taylor, as in Taylor. Taylor pink, okay? Isa lang naman yung pink niya. Okay, this one is more on brown. Nude brown, okay? And then we have, ang ganda, this is para siyang olive. Yeah, this is olive. Yes, this is olive. Okay, so this is olive green. Olive green for Taylor. We have our classy. This is a very classy Taylor black. We have our classy Taylor white. Pero meron din tayo here. Sa kabila ko buksan. Ayan, matcha. Ayan, very, very pastely. Ayan, very pastel ng kanyang ano. Okay? Again, ang code natin dito is Taylor. Si Taylor po ay available po siya ng SML, XL, double XL, and triple XL. And syempre, kapag po tayo ang nag-live, meron tayong special live price ng 690 for our shorts. Shorts po ito, wala po siyang skirt sa harapan. Okay? So, shorts siya sa harap. Shorts pa rin siya sa likod. Okay? Ayan, okay? So again this is Taylor. This is Taylor Black. This is Taylor Matcha. Screenshot nyo na kung anong coloring gusto nyo or take a screenshot and then i-shortlist nyo na. Napakamura natin binibigay ito we are the lowest in the market. Okay? And we have our Taylor White. Again, ivory white po. Ivory white. And we have
One of the lowest.
one of the lowest.
It's not the lowest.
If not the lowest, we are one of the lowest. Very affordable po. Yes, we give you a very, very malasakit price po. And not just that, air cargo po. Wala po tayong additional fees sa any air cargo kasi lahat po yan pinapadala natin via air cargo. Okay, so this is Taylor. This is Taylor for olive green. This is Taylor for olive green. This is Taylor for brown. Taylor for brown. And we have our Taylor pink. Ang ganda ni pink. Promise, ang ganda ni pink. Okay, so again, si Taylor po ay curvy yung kanyang dulo. Okay, so this is our brown. Taylor brown. Okay, and we have our Taylor red, and we have our bluish gray. This is bluish gray. Again, si Taylor po ang code natin dito. At si Taylor ay available ng SML, XL, double XL, triple XL for only 690 for SML, XL, double XL, and triple XL, additional 100. Okay, so that's it. Ayan. Tayo mag-i-end ng live. We flex already our best-selling items for our first live on this very prime page that we have. So we shifted from our main page the other day. Now we are doing our live dito po sa aming prime page. Okay, so we are going to flex po more for our next few kasi tayo nakaka 340 na live na. Sana ma-retrieve natin yung ating main page. Okay, but if you like, if you are looking po, for our nilagay mo ba yung na-comment po yung shorts? Okay, sige. So, ang ating shorts po ay 690 for SML, XL. And then, we have additional 100 lamang po. 100 pesos, okay? 100 pesos for our double XL and triple XL. Ayan. Okay, so syempre ang ating suot right now ay si Catherine. Ayan, si Polka Navy. Polka Navy po yung suot po ngayon. And syempre ang ating top ay si Umi. Ayan, di ba? Match na match. Ayan. Okay, you can wear po anywhere. And napaka-stylish. Ang nakakabata ito nakakabata. Ayan. Wala siyang pocket. Dahil I love Catherine. Ayan. Pilihan ko dito si Victoria. Si Victoria. Sino isa? Kalimutan ko. Si Victoria, si Catherine. Yung isa pa, nakalimutan ko ang pangalan niya. Carlene. Ayun. Yun yung pinagpalit ko. Okay, so again kami po ay nagpapasabay papunta po ng Pilipinas at sa US at sa Canada. So kung gusto niyo po magpasabay sa Pilipinas, lahat po ng presyo natin ay in Philippine peso. But if you want to buy in retail going to US or any state po, we have our hub in the East Coast. Okay, and we also ship na pasabay. We also open for pasabay going to Canada. Okay, since our hub is in the East Coast. Okay, but if you are liking to buy in bulk or wholesale, okay, the bulk orders will follow po bundle prices. For our wholesale, you're going to get a shop price as is. Okay, so if you are looking for a supplier, an importer, or a personal shopper here in Bangkok, Thailand, you message us because we give you a very personal, exclusive, and very caring service, not to mention the quality one. Okay, so again, this is your Lady T. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama po sa aming unang-unang live dito sa ating crime page. Okay, I hope we will see all our Zuki ladies in this page. And if you have any questions, just let us know, DM us. We will always be happy to answer your inquiries anytime of the day. Okay? Again, this is your Thailand Shopping Club. This is your trusted, your caring, and your trusted, safe, and caring Pasabay team na Bangkok Base. Okay? So this is TSC, and we will see you on our next live. See ya! Tapon ka, sorry ka. Okay, so I'll leave you with this very beautiful. Yan. From our Leia Studio.